Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to turn on or off quiet mode on Instagram. In this full guide, we will walk you through the steps to customize your notification settings. Let's get started. If you turn on quiet mode, you can even customize the time period it remains active for. Note that you can set quiet mode for up to 12 hours each day. If you want to learn how to pause Instagram notifications for longer durations, be sure to check out our tutorial. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. Step 3. Look for the 3 dots symbol in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. Step 4. From the options that appear, select Settings and Privacy to access the Settings menu. Step 5. Within the Settings menu, locate and tap on Notifications to adjust your notification preferences. Step 6. Look for the option labeled Quiet Mode and tap on it. Step 7. Tap the toggle next to Quiet Mode to turn it on or off. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your Instagram notification settings and enjoy a more peaceful experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative guides. Stay tuned for our next video. Remember, you have the power to customize your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.